Hello, my Igbo friend. How are you?
This lady of song. Yes, so.
Yeah, I'm here already. Back from the village. As you can see, I'm at Hayward Salon. Wow, this is lovely. I see everything. I say, may I come pick one.
Oh my God.
Hello, my people. How not they? How not they? Waiting they play? Who they breathe?
Who they come?
Now here be Hayward Salon.
Who they shook?
Where you go see all your human hair. You miss Nigeria? Wow. Now see this one right there here.
Who they breathe?
You never cut this one, have you?
No, never cut. Full lace wig.
Who they create so where they put red head for my video? If I catch you, I go mess for your head. Just they put red head. After I don't do this video finish, they come for you. Now they use number. They put red head for my video. Just cut yourself out of this page because I go block you after this live video. Move. Yes. Wow. Yeah, the hair too fine. The hair too fine. The one on your head is very fine. Too beautiful. Yes. So the number is there. I see what I write for there now. If you sabi make money, you need to know how to make yourself look good. Because suffer too much for this life. I can't afford to have money and not look good. God forbid bad thing. I can't afford it. Wow. How many times you don't look mirror, look yourself, everywhere just rough, everywhere mania.
Looking good.
You're just a verse. You're just a verse. You suffer from morning till night. God forbid, night and day. They hustle. I'll call hustle finish. I'll call they say, I want to go save. No, it's good to save. Or they say, if you are not let me use money for myself, I'll look haggard. No, now. If you don't get money, in a different case. If you get, you need to make yourself look good. So if you look mirror, you go smile. If you look mirror, you not smile, you are getting old. Let me say you the old they go. So you need to look yourself at the mirror and smile. You understand? See here now. You say now money be fine, but nobody ugly. Oh. You don't feel use this kind of hair make you ugly. God forbid. This kind of hair, it they change your face. If you use this kind of hair, your face go change. Okay, you love the red one.
Okay, the red one.
That red one. It's so beautiful, yeah? And it's so long. How many inches be this one?
30 inches.
30. This is 30 inches. It's a very beautiful frontal. Very beautiful one. You don't feel use this kind of hair. May your husband they look outside, or may your husband not look. God forbid. If you use this kind of hair, and your husband not go, where they go? He go just sit down for us. This one seated there.
This one is frontal.
Jesus Christ. Now weave the weave on so. Wow. I like this one with the weave. It's very fine. Yeah, her number is there. I drop her number there. Just WhatsApp. You can even call. You can call. See weaving now. Oh my God. Oh my God. Please inbox her. WhatsApp her. Her WhatsApp number is there. Or you can even call her. And she will give you price. You understand? Like me now, we say I did work since yesterday. I go the hustle. I go village. Go do movie. I will come get the money finish. I know I can't look good. I dey mad. Who I want to spend the money for? I better go. Who I want to spend the money for? If I don't spend that for myself, Sandra Max, this is beautiful. Wow. Look at this. Are you serious? Oh my God. Boy, be like saying all this will be the winner. Hey? It will look good on me, oh. It will look good on me. What to do? Oh, God have mercy. Wow. The weaving is so neat. So neat. Like, no, she can't say the price on live video. She can't. You know, say, you feel call her now. She feel just like the way you take talk, you know, the way you take express yourself. She feels reduced price for you. You understand? Then if she can't talk her for live video now, they're gonna say, now so you talk for live video, but not be so you say they sell her. Maybe she won't just like do one for you. Do you understand? So that is why we don't say price on live video. My goodness.
Let me try this.
My goodness. Try this on. Let's see. This color on you is also fine. Very fine. That's it. So let's try the weaving so that you see how beautiful it is. Good evening, Jennifer. Viasui. Wow. Wow. Pattern is fine. You don't need to take all the whole time to sit down and they start weaving your hair. If you just do a back, finish. They put all the weaving that you need, all the style. Jennifer, now you they do me this one, so wow. I wanted to put this on, this very one. I admire this very one. This one. Okay. Yes. Put this one. Let me see. You know some of our person they suffer for life. Suffer. Brother go come bring money, sister go come bring money, uncle go come bring money, pikin go come bring money. Me where you they work the money, I go make zaka. Waiting. God forbid, I no green. I must look good. When you look good and you look at the mirror, you smile. You smile. Wow. My goodness. Well, show my set to now. So if I see this kind of person head now, I will suspect saying a cap. Because if to say you don't put on for my present, I know no saying a cap. Please turn around. Can you see it? Wow. I beg, I fall in love with this one. This one is so beautiful.
Wrap.
Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. So our number is on the screen there. It's pinned there. You can call to ask for price. You can also WhatsApp, drop a message. And this, oh my God, no one not fine. No one not fine. See this one. See this one where they pick. If you see the way they take pick this very one, nobody go believe say not be your hair. See the way they take pick her now. Nobody go feel believe. Are you serious? But this hair of a thing, are different. I bet bend down, mommy. They see this back. Can you see this? Can you see this? I saw the thing take full. Wow. Which one? If you prefer any one, you can do a screenshot too. Screenshot and send to me or send to her. Lovely Godwin. The number is there. You can call the number on the screen. You can call the number on the screen. Let me use this. Let's see. Yes, I beg. Who they buy for me? Who they buy for me? May they see them? May they see them? When you like anyone, screenshot and send to my WhatsApp or to our WhatsApp also. This will look good on me, oh, I swear. It will look good on me. Somebody should buy for me. If you like it, I can. Wow. This one, just change your face.
Yeah.
And this one, fine. Your back. Man, what are you talking? My God. So imagine say you can't do makeup join this one. Imagine you can't do makeup join this one. How you go look? How you go look? Shana. Right? Yes, inbox please. Imagine your face with makeup with this hair. Sienna. Oh my goodness. So fine. So fine, so fine. You never use this one. Use this one. But you'll be like natural hair. So use this one. Yeah, you can call her WhatsApp and you can call her directly. See, please, just put your head down. See, it's like if you don't even put I know go know say not be your natural hair. They say with this hair. See Anna. So nice. So nice. Oh, it's beautiful. That's the truth. Oh, it's beautiful. Depends on the dressing where you want dress. You can have multiple of it. You understand? Peter say make I take two. And he might say no yega. May I take two on you? He might say no yega. So it depends on your dressing that day. If you dey go, it depends on the party you are going. Depends on your dressing. Now you go say no the hair where you want use. You know say not be your hair they follow all dressing. You understand? So you can have more than one. You can have the weaving. You can have the bone straight. Yes. Depends on the dressing you are putting on. You're not going to determine the hair where you want to use. You understand? These are the Omotola. Yeah. These are the Omotola styles. See it.
Let me try.
This one they fit you well.
Right. Let me turn to S section.
Wow. It looks good. It looks good.
Forget you bring the ring light.
Add me, help me block A1, A1. I don't know if it is A1, A1. Add me, help me block A1, A1. You feel like taking everything. That's all me. Oh. Now, so if I come here, I beg. I carry like 3 or 4. I'll call it run. They go. I beg. That's why if I don't get money, I just scared to come. Okay, you need my number and I thought okay, no problem. Inbox me. I'll give you my number. Yeah. This is so nice, so nice, so beautiful, so beautiful.
Try this one.
Thank you so much for blocking that person for me. You know, see how many hair I use for my birthday? I use the 3 hair now. Now 3 hair I use for my birthday. Now here. Now here now. Everywhere good now.
Everywhere soft.
Don't worry, no your brother. I not feel the stress. Oh, let me want do Sister Caro, do Lady of Song, do CEO, EO, Beauty World. At the end, I not feel make myself look good. I pray, oh, in your way. Look at this. Look at this. People are saying, oh, Lady of Song, you are looking beautiful, you are looking younger, you are looking this. What if I don't look young, I swear to God, I don't sleep. Yeah, she's beautiful. It's beautiful. Yes. Nobody not fine. Nobody this kind of hair no go fit. I swear. Just try it and you will understand. Nobody this hair no dey fit. Now please question and testing say nobody ugly. You know they na money be fine bobo. You understand? So the hair will be good on everybody. Yes, now she can send to anywhere, America, France, no, anywhere in the world. She can post to you. So far you send your address. All hair makes sense. No, hair guru now. Hair guru herself. Tell her hair was Salon Airport Road, front of vegetable market. He don't say old school. So now there be hair. There, the address is also there. If you know vegetable market at Airport Road, yes, you will see Hayward Salon there. Editor Sage Bello, please, the one you are talking about now, just screenshot for me. Yes, it's human hair. It's human hair. Just screenshot for me. It's human hair. Sandra Imason, I beg one for me. One for me. One for me. Laho. See, there are others that are not wigged already. If you need anyone, you like anyone, she can wig it up. She can put it in a cap for you. You understand? Anyone you like, just point. Say, I like this one. Help me wig her. She go wig her for you. You understand? So look at them. Anyone you like, she can put it in the wig. The number is already pinned, ma. Harmonious Stars. The number is already pinned. So anyone you like, all these short hair, they are so fine when you put them in a wig cap. They are so fine. Look at this one now. Look at, if you do so, you will be like baby. This one they bounce. Wow. Wow, wow. Okay, you just called Juliet Ewe. Thank you so much. God bless you. Love you, love you, love you, love you. I love you so much. Thank you for patronizing us. God bless you. I'm on your SARS. I just told you the number is pinned there. You can call to verify the price. Okay? You can call now to verify. This one is also fine. This one so fine, so fine.
Yeah, we are here for you.
The light strings, you don't leave me. The light strings, you don't leave me. So you will find me trouble for you. She's not picking your call. I saw a princess Osazua. Please, who they will phone? Who they will phone? Please call again, please. Call again. Call again. You no get wagino tarata. Oh God, Father. I'll think about her. Maybe if I owe like 1 million naira, I'll feel purchase like 5 or 6. I'll come sit down for live video. Say I want to give away of human hair. And people who want win the giveaway, they will fair come. They will buy ticket come Nigeria the day. They will come for art film first. Imuyari work back color. Yeah, imuyari work back color. Iye pot of life. Ayo no ya wuyaru ya magbali ya o. Iye isetin jodore there. Excellent gold. Why are you saying that? Say I not go see sleep. Why you they look me? The one she's putting on Scott Fitzaria. She have put on so many. Please screenshot. Screenshot, I beg. Just call her. Call and explain. She will pick your call now.
Okay.
Now this one where they are yours now. You get coins for back.
Yeah.
Wow.
Full frontal.
Okay, now full frontal. Wow, you can even pattern it any style you want.
Any part.
Yes, any style you want. This is nice. This is nice.
One take this here. So one next.
You don't use this one. You don't use this one.
Nice.
This one. You don't use this
No,
one.
I never use that
This
one.
one will sit fine. Well, now front abi.
Frontal.
Fine. Well. They said all is fine.
This one with also that closure.
All is fine. Okay, now. Can you see this? Wow. My number. Okay, this is not my number. This is a word number. Don't worry, I'll give you my number when I finish this live video. Don't worry, Mama. I'll give you my number. Which number now they call where they know they pick? Bella Jackson. I'm not sure it's this very number on the screen. The one I just pinned. Esther Love, please, leave me alone. Leave me alone. If you want me to pick anyone, you go call me, boss me, say, Mommy, pick anyone, I'll pick. Here no give again on Tata. We don't discuss business on live. Please call me. Call me sweetheart. God bless you. We don't discuss price on live video. Let's see this one. So fine. You don't feel wear this one.
No.
So too fine. So too fine. Okay, vegetable market at Airport Road. If you just reach, that's Zenith Bank now.
I said opposite Observer.
Opposite Observer,
Yeah.
front of vegetable market.
No side.
Airport Road. Okay, side.
Yeah.
Sweet baby face say she know dey pick call. I don't know the number one na dey call o.
Number no.
Which number na dey call? Abeg which one dey with your girl? The 0706. Please call the 0706732893. Call that one, please. Call that one. Wow. Wow. Yes, oh, she rock, oh. Rock. This hair not dry. My goodness. Where are all the slave queens in the house? All the slave mamas in the house. Where are they? The light strings, don't worry, darling. You know, I can afford this. I can afford this. What did they know they see for Nigeria? If now abroad is there, you buy come. And I don't believe anything they way they see for abroad. We're not in Nigeria. They, okay, the one she's putting on now. Okay, sweet baby face, the one she's putting on now.
Screenshot. Okay,
just screenshot and send to her WhatsApp. The number is 0706 732 8943. Screenshot and send to our WhatsApp. Okay. Excellent gold. Okay, just drop a voice note. Thank you so much. Good evening, Sophia Egbedo. God bless you. Good evening. Okay, no problem. She will answer you. Just drop a voice note. She will answer you. So we have. Okay, I'll do on one. Okay, so that. Okay, see what I'm going to do. In case if you want to screenshot, so that it will be easy for you to screenshot. So we have this one now. If you like it, you just screenshot and send. So I want to make it easy for you guys to screenshot now. So that's that. Then this one. So if you want to screenshot, it's very easy. So you can screenshot this very one now. Okay? Then this one also, this is a Motola. It's very affordable, very cheap. I can't disclose price now, but it's very cheap. Very cheap. This is a Motola. If you use them for some dress, you will like them. So you can screenshot this if you want to. Then this one. So we'll do it one after the other. Anyone you like, you just screenshot and send. This is the one she wore just now. This one is bouncy. This one have coils. All the hair too fine, my sister. All the hair too fine. Oh. Yeah, Mommy Gloria Rosie, yes now. Yeah, she can ship to Italy. Italy not far now. Anywhere. If you say make I even use leg, they call Italy, may I bring the hair come for you now. I don't already start to the come. Just pay, I will bring her. May God give us money. Oh. So anyone you feel like you can screenshot, and all these are full frontals. So any style you want to pack it, very easy to pack, very easy. So you can screenshot this one. Sarah is in school now. Now don't ask me just now. Sarah go school. She will soon be back. We go school. Then let's go to the bone straights. These are the bone straights.
Bone straight, yes. So
this is so lovely. Wow. 30 inches yes, bone straight. So if you're not too tall like me, if you wear this one, go your day on yash. Go your day on yash.
Frontal. 28 inches. Full frontal.
28 inches. Still very long.
Same with this one.
Okay, put this one on. They say you should put this one on.
Okay.
Okay, Jessica, Rebecca, she want to put this on again now. Okay, I will go to the braid side. Let me finish with this one. Can you see it? If I want to give away now for my Instagram, if you want me to do a giveaway, follow my Instagram, Esther O Edokbayi. Then if I reach 25, because now I don't send my Instagram since now I see there 23 hours, so I don't know. So I will do giveaway. I can't use you my hair, bone straight, I do giveaway. More than go they follow me, trust me. We don't say rubber hair now real human hair we dey sell. As it be now, if you wear am, drop am, wear am again. If you come back, it go there as it dey. We don't dey sell rubber hair, na human hair. So can you see it now? So you can inbox her now. Yes, to Germany, anywhere to Germany she can. So let's do it so that you can screenshot. This is 28 inches, right?
Yes.
This is 28 inches.
This one is 30 inches.
Then this one is 30 inches. This one is very lovely. And this one she fell wear when I come just now. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. So you can do a screenshot now. Then this one. This is the black. This is also 30 inches.
No, that one.
This black
is
30 inches. Then this one also 30 inches. This one is very close to this one, but there are two different ones.
Orange, orange.
Then you can see this very one. Wow, wow, wow. This is lovely, lovely, lovely. All this short head. Now they're on board now, they rain now. Any color you want. Any color you want. This very one, man, this very one, don't go there. Not just go there for this hair. Not just go there. This very one, wow. Full frontal. You can weave, you can lose it, and style it anyhow you want it. They are all lovely. Wow. As this one there now, you go comb mine, go bounce back. This is full frontal.
Yeah. Full frontal.
Where are all the mamas in the house? Yeah, no girl, no Sarata, leave me leave me
This one is full frontal.
This is full frontal also. Wow, beautiful. So it be like baby hair.
Yes, baby hair.
Baby hair, wow.
Yes,
if you use this one, you go be like baby. You go be like baby. No lie, nobody not get money to buy you my hair. No, you're talking. Not just talking selling gold. Nobody not get money. How much for you my hair? I've told you guys before. You can also pay instrumentally. I've told you guys before. You can pay instrumentally. If you call her, tell her this is the one you like, she will give you price. If you have a little money you can drop, then you'll be paying little by little. If you bring 20,000, go collect her. You go the right hand down. Once you pay her complete, you will carry your hair. Before you know, you don't pay her. So you can pay instrumentally, you can still buy, like pay fully. It's Miss Tonya. I will. You can call me again. I will respond later after this live video. So beautiful. So we try this way. So why they show one and I make for day easy for you to screenshot. I will go to the braid side, my love. Let's finish with this one. See now. All of them, they give you different face. You go be like baby now, Bella Jackson. Why you not be like baby? All of them gives you different faces. If you use them, all of them. So if they buy them, you buy one today, next week come buy another one. You will see the braid. Just hold on. Kingsley Agawa, thank you so much. God bless you, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, yeah, no give again, no tata. Thank you so much. Yes, the person see truth, he will talk no matter what. The hair is fine. All the hair, they are so nice. They are so beautiful. Check it out. All the hair, they are so beautiful. Just inbox, please. Hey, so inbox, please. If you inbox, to make it easy for her to give you price, you go just screenshot, you go send to her on WhatsApp, then she go just tell you everything. She'll tell you the price. So that is that. So let's go to the braid side. Let's go to braid side. Let me start with this one.
Okay.
Look at this one. This one is like dark blue. Very fun. That's my lady Sandra Mexican. I sight you. Okay, so that's that.
So
then let's go one after the other. This one is called what do they call
Ghana
it?
weaving.
Ghana weaving.
yes. This
Back
is
and forth.
Ghana, yes.
Yes. Thank you. You just called. I get picked.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So it's very long. It's very long. It's very long, as you can see. After this live video, she's going to attend to everybody. Just drop your message. Screenshot the one you like and drop it. She will attend to you. See her? Very long.
Oh, come carry that one.
This one's small. Wow. See her? Okay. Then, I beg, carry this one.
Remove this one. Just hold on, this one. Make it.
It be like say me go carry this one sef.
Yeah, fine.
This one is so beautiful. Mama Coco, how many hair you want carry? Tell me. Tell me which one you like. The one where you want me I bring for you. They talk and if I they come here for pack and come home. Yeah, well, I fear go at a very cheap rate. We don't show that one.
Yeah.
Then this one.
This one.
The screenshots now, I they stay for one, they tell me if I let you screenshot.
Okay.
Wow. Mommy, I tell where Brandy. Good evening, mommy. How that side now? Congrats, Efe. You say just one. Okay, you screenshot the one where you choose. Mommy, longest time no see you. Your daughter there. Oh, no, so they go. And there's so they go. So screenshots now.
Yeah.
Then let's do this. Check this out now. Check on now. Thank God, mommy. Check it. Can you see? Yeah. You can even lose this style and pack it anyhow you want.
Yes, any style.
You can even pack it anyhow you like. So that's that. Then we'll go to the next one. This one too fine. This one are for all those thick mamas in the house. This one is very fine. This one is very fine. So fine, yeah. I see it. See, I like this one. So you can take this. Mama Evelyn in here. Good evening, ma. Good evening, ma. We they do market, so they do business. All the old hair, they fine, mama. Anyone you like, just choose. Just screenshots come for me. God bless you, ma. If you buy cream, just tell me, say, put the hair for inside the cream, send and come for me. I can do that. I can also do that. See, as it tie like, what do they call this one? Donut.
Yes.
So you can't see change, can't see be on that style. So it depends on how you like it. And it's very full. Very full. Miss Benedicta, her number is there. Her number is there. So let's go for another one. So funny. See the way she dey pack am. See the way she dey pack am. You see am? You see the way she pack am? You can give it any style of your choice. Just look at it. See? After you don't bond down to your hair, to your head now, if you just pattern na anyhow you want. See am? Take pack am. Then you can also fall am, just fall am. So nice.
Take it like this.
Yeah.
Tight.
Tie am for back. No, even as she dey cut her hair, na even good as she dey cut her hair, comrade Osagbovo, then she can put this on anytime she dey go party. You understand? So. Here's another one. Please, so can easily do a screenshot. Sandra, oh Sonny, I'm fine, my darling. I'm fine. How you doing? Wow. Wow. I can't just follow on like that. I can't follow on like that. Wow, 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 wow.
Okay.
I can't follow on like that. Wow. Can you see this with the bead? Go make it look like small pikin. As I put it like this, yes. Go make it look like small pikin with the bead. So, you're the type that like this type of braiding. These are small braiding. Can you see it? Can you see it? This small braiding, they are so fine. See?
With closure.
Yes, with closure. All the colors are beautiful. All of them fine. See this gold. Very fine. See? So, you can still buy the one that is not wigged. You can still buy the one that is not wigged. Look at all of them. Anyone you like. If you would say, oh, buy and come for me, I go wig am by myself. Yes, we can do that also. Airport Road, ma. Airport Road, beside the vegetable market. The Access Bank. Post Observer. So you can buy all these ones that are not wigged. Then can send to you, then you wig it yourself. You know how to wig all these things. You know how to do them. We will not sabi do one. We go. Can you see?
Yeah, this 40 inches.
Wow, 40 inches. This is 40 inches. Wow, can you see this? 40 inches. You can ask her to help you wig it, or if you still bring her come for you like this. This is 40 inches. Mani matana here why you to leli mahia. Okay, I will inbox you the address, ma.
22 inches.
I will inbox you the address. Gladys Emmanuel, the number is there to call or WhatsApp. Okay, you can inbox her. Let's see this one. This one will find for a week up. Okay. This one will full anyhow for a week up. Okay, the one with the beads.
Okay, that one.
See her. See the style where they give her. You like her. See her. No, nah, inbox. I don't dey talk as say for the price your inbox. See her, very fine. The one with the bead. Sandy babe, please inbox, I beg. Inbox. So this is nice, also nice. Wow, this is lovely. PC coil, okay. So that is it. This is the CEO, Hayward Salon. Please, the address. Give the address. Then you come on. I want you to marry, but more you have to.
Okay, you want to
They do pedicure, manicure, bridal hair. If you come do marriage, you come Nigeria, say you want to do marriage, and you need the best of bridal hair, just come here. Call her number, give her the contract. Both the makeup, the hair. Sure, you see me on my birthday as I look like. You see me? The makeup, the hair, the nails, everything. So give them the address.
25 Airport Road, opposite Observer, by Vegetable Market, Benin City, Edo State.
Yeah,
we are here waiting for you guys.
God bless you.
Guys.
God bless you. Nice. Yeah, people. I don't do my own. As you can see, I'm on what do they call it? I'm on salary. I'm on salary. Please, I want to beg you. You people that are begging me on inbox, on WhatsApp, that I should help you advertise your hair. Please, I'm sorry. You know, just like I'm selling cream. There is no way I can advertise your cream for you if you are a person that is doing organic product. You sell cream. You can say, okay, may I go meet lady of some, may come advertise my cream for me. You know, let me do. Not be say I dey stingy. You can't be like say me want keep my own business with that. I will leave my own, go there advertise on that person because of money. No, not be say money. No, just like my sweetheart that was begging me on inbox just now to help you advertise your hair. Not that I don't want to, but I'm on a contract here. This contract never finish. I know if we carry another one. The most where I sign for here, I must make sure the business is going well. You understand? Oh no, I the right lady or somebody help me, not help me. Let me say I don't want to help you. Please, I beg. This is a contract that I have to be doing. If I finish this one, I feel to sign another one. So when I'm not going to talk to lady or some a bad person, there is no way I can help you to advertise your hair when Hayward Salon is selling hair. I hope you guys understand. So that if you want to call me for adverts, you know the kind of advert you want to give to me. If it is hair, it's a no-no. If it is cream, it's a no-no. Every other one can go. God bless you all. I love you guys. So start calling now. We don't through now. Start calling. I love you all. God bless you. Bye. Ciao, ciao.